Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a very quick video showing you what I've been doing on my typewriter. As you can see, it's a very good looking typewriter, and I've spent many hours typing away on it. Of course, one of the advantages to typing on a typewriter is that there's no blue light shining in your face, so you can actually view the words on the page as you type. So a typewriter in many ways is kind of like an automatic printer. So I just wanted to make this really quick video showing you my typewriter. Like I've said in the past, if you would like to support my channel, you can check out my books in the description section. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.